One strategy we have for ordering decimals from least to greatest is to put them on a number line. So I'll put each of these 4 decimal numbers on this number line, and then that will help me to order them from least to greatest. First one is 6/10, and that's listed on the number line. 45 hundredths. 72 hundredths, we don't have that listed on the number line, but we know it would be between 7/10 and 75 hundredths, not quite halfway in between. And then 5/10 would be our last one. So using the number line, smaller numbers are on the left and it gets larger as you move to the right. So now I was able to order these decimals from least to greatest. Another strategy we have when ordering decimals is to line them up so that all the place values are lined up in the same line. Then we can just compare the numbers by looking at their place values. So first we'll look at the numbers in the ones place. I see I have 3 1s and a 2. So automatically I know that this is the largest number in my list because it is 2 and some, and all the other ones have 1 and some decimal parts. So we're ordering from least to greatest, so that's going to be number 4 because it's the largest. Next, we'll look at the 10th place of the remaining numbers. So each of these 3 remaining numbers that need to be ordered all have a 4 in the 10th place. That doesn't tell me anything about how large or small they are in comparison to each of them. So now we'll move to the 100th place to compare them. Looking at the numbers in the 100th place for these 3 numbers that are remaining, I have a 9, a 9, and a 6. So I know the smallest number in my group is 1 and 467 thousandths. Lastly, I'm going to look at the thousandths place value for the 2 remaining numbers to compare them. So there's a 2 and a 5 in those place values, so that means the 2 is smaller than the 5. This one is the second smallest number, and this one is the third smallest number. So now I have listed these numbers in order from least to greatest.